Hello, everybody. We start our live trading session, my friends. Today's trading session will be about once more. This trading session, it is live trading. We will discuss trades that we took. After that, we will discuss some trading plans. We will analyze our statistic trades that we took before. And also, I will reply to your questions regarding trading. This live will be really useful for you, and you can watch it right now with me online. Also, it will be useful for you even if you watch it within several days, weeks, months, because topics and logic that we will use here will be useful forever. That's why if you watch record, also it would be useful for you. As always, a few words about audio video quality. Friends, from 1 to 10, share with me about audio quality. And let's discuss what we are going to trade. Anastasia, hello. Anastasia, what about your short? Do you still keep your short position? What's up? Everything is good? Okay, friends. Some of you, what would be exactly a plan of today's live? For a start, we are going to analyze trades that we opened right now with my team, reasons why we took those trades. After that, we will do market analysis and build some plans. And after that, I will reply to your questions regarding trading. And we will analyze trades that I took during last weeks to see it as an example, how you also can trade it in the future. Okay, I can see 10, 10, 10, 10. Good. Also, share with me what's your location at this moment where you are watching me right now. We have a tradition always to share a place where you're watching right now. I stream from Lviv, Ukraine, and share with me where at this moment you are. Man, if I will see such words again, I will ban you. Okay, let's go. For a start, as always, let's start from trade analysis. At this moment with my team, we took short on BTC. You can see that nearly 1 hour before the stream, we took a short trade. What was the reason why we took short trade? And honestly, I still in a short. My entry, as you can see at this moment here, 52,948. 52 and stop loss at this moment at break even, and my take profit at this moment as this one 50,277. Let's analyze what was the reason why we took this short trade today. Romania, Switzerland, Pakistan. Hi, my friend. Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, Shepetivka, South Africa, Slovakia, Pakistan, Germany. Awesome. Romania, Slovenia, Switzerland. Cool. Brazil. My friend Tiango, what's time at this moment in Brazil? It's interesting. Okay, I see people from Europe, Asia, and Netherlands. Cool. USA. Friends, okay, let's start. At this moment, we are in a short position on BTC. Let's start our live session and explain to you why we took short and what's the reason behind this short. First, today in the morning, I shared with our club this plan. Have a look. Today in the morning, I shared this plan. It was exactly today at 11:38. At this moment, it is 5 p.m. It is 17 o'clock if you use 24 hours. And the main reason why I wrote to our people today in the morning, why I thought about additional higher high, because of this liquidation zone exactly at high. A lot of liquidity appeared exactly here. And based on that, I shared this plan that BTC, if BTC take high, we take short entry. And also after that, I record the video and explain in that video that stuff. Have a look how stop loss hunt looks exactly. It was exactly this one. It was exactly this one. What happened? Pay attention to this significant delta. How many of you know what's delta? Write plus. Friends, write plus in the chat if you know what's delta indicator means and shows to you. And write minus if you don't know what's delta. BTC did this significant impulse with big volume spike and significant delta. What this stuff means? That a lot of people that were in a short position, in the middle of this range, what happened to their positions? Yes, they got liquidated. And when people that have short position close their short, they buy back. And they bought exactly into a top. That's the reason why we took short entry, because when you take a trade against a trend, the best time to take it after stop loss hunt. That was exactly, my friend, a stop loss hunt. And because of that, with my team, we shared this one, short entry on BTC. My teammate Pavel shared a trade, and his entry was 52,862. And after that, I shared also my entry was 52,940. And at this moment, I still keep my position. Why I keep my position? Friend, about this one, I will reply as soon as possible. Why it's at this moment I still keep my position short on BTC? Major reason. Let me explain to you here. Often BTC after significant pump, when BTC creates significant pump, and after that BTC takes stop loss hunt, possibility of taking stop losses of a lot of buyers is huge. That's the reason why at this moment we keep our position open, because I do believe there's a big chance for taking stop losses of a lot of buyers as it bought BTC. Nearly the same structure as it was here. Or even here, big range, stop loss hunt, and after that beautiful drop. That's the reason why at this moment I still keep my short position, because I do believe that BTC can go and take levels here or here. That's why keep it. Let's set target at this moment. Let's set target at this moment here and enjoy. At this moment, share with me, is it clear reasons behind why we took long on BTC, took short, my apology, on BTC? Right, plus that you understood. Does it make sense to wait a confirmation for entry after liquidity hunt? Sometimes yes, sometimes Oleg, I use what I use sometimes. I take a trade after additional higher high or lower low. Let me explain to you. Example for you, like here. You can see here, big drop in open interest and massive volume. And sometimes I take a trade after lower low or higher high, as it was here. Big liquidation event and price take lower low. And here we take a trade. At this moment, they move really beautifully. Okay, if some of you have questions at this moment about BTC, tell me. If you have some questions about my my short entry, it's time to ask, because after that we will go to another coins. What about you, and what about at this moment if you would like to take a new trade? First, another trade for short, better to take in the case of additional stop loss hunt. If BTC would make some additional spike up, it would be possible to take another trade for short. Another opportunity, if at this moment we will see aggressive seller that move price down towards breakdown. That's two ways how we can take. That's two ways how we can take exactly new short trade. Because remember that my short at this moment 2% up. We are in a profit 1.8%. 1.8% price into our direction. That's even time to have stop loss at break even. There's no reason to risk money anymore on this trade. Okay. What's also a reason why at this moment we expect for BTC to or create a range or make some pullback? First, a major reason, BTC pumped because of the significant rise in open interest. It really huge pump. How many of you saw my updates on YouTube where I shared with you? How many of you saw my updates on BTC where I shared with you that BTC would rise after this big open interest? For me, it's just interesting to hear. And here you can see BTC pumped because of this significant open interest rise. And additional major reason why at this moment we started looking for short, it is open interest divergence. I repeat this stuff many times. How this stuff works? When you see the trend continue, but open interest stop rising, often it is a signal that price or create range or make pullback. Example for you, even have a look, even this example. Price continue rising, open interest stop rising, and after that they did even higher high while open interest slightly went down. You can see this stuff many times. You can see this stuff many times when price like this one. It was exactly this high. After that, price go take higher highs, and open interest, as you can see, started to declining. That's not good for a healthy market. For a healthy market, you need aggressive buyer. This example maybe was the best. Have a look. Exactly tap on open interest. Price continue rising while open interest went down. It is open interest divergence. Why this stuff works? Because aggressive buyers, they close their position and they don't have any desire to move it more. Because as you can see, this stuff happened not at bottom. This stuff happened exactly after this series of massive rise. The same here started with BTC. That's why for BTC, honestly, I would be really happy to see on BTC something like this stuff. Some wide range, 10% up and down. This would be really the best stuff before continue of a trend. Friends, would you like to know why this would be the best stuff for trend continue? Write one if you would like me to explain. Okay, that's combined together reasons why we took short on BTC and shared with our community. Yes, major reason because that would be a reaccumulation as Tom wrote. Because BTC, it is large instrument, and a lot of people take trades. And at this moment, a lot of people open long positions. And if market maker would move price higher, they will need to give money to all of these people. For them, it's way better to take stop loss hunt to make a range, and after that, continue this trend. This stuff happens over and over again, because even here, have a look, reaccumulation, big range, and after that, go on. This one, range, price dropped. Like it works in both directions. This one, have a look, big pump, range, go on. This stuff will be over and over again until this market exists, until the end of the human time. Okay. That's about BTC. Let's go to other coins. What I have. At this moment also I have a trade on Ethereum. What was the reasons behind we took this trade on Ethereum? Let me open for you this one. Ooh, have a look on this volatility on Ethereum. Order book is crazy, even bigger than. Order book is crazy, friends. Let me zoom in for you to see exactly this order book. Okay. We also took a short on Ethereum. What was the reason behind this short on Ethereum? Have a look. First, Ethereum reached really significant point. It was exactly this one. It is the second deviation on VWAP. Have a look on this stuff. This stuff, it is a VWAP. How many of you used VWAP ever before? Friends, how many of you saw that stuff to... what is the platform you are using to check the order book you are seeing as a Binance order book, Thiago? I use Tiger Trade. You can go to our YouTube channel and you can find it. I use two exchanges. I use Binance and ByBit. I personally trade on ByBit only. And let me show to you. When you go to, let me find to you, Tiger Trade tutorials. You'll find this playlist, free tutorials. You can use it. Also, you can find another platform, this one, Atas, that we use. Also here, full playlist of tutorials. That's why you go to our our YouTube channel, subscribe, and playlist. You'll find all information that you need. Let's go back to Ethereum. Major reason why at this moment we took Ethereum, because when Ethereum reach second deviation, especially with significant volume spike, often it is a signal for powerful pullback or reversal. Plus, in the case of BTC drop, Ethereum also dropping. Correlation is huge. That's the reason why at this moment we keep this short position on Ethereum. And honestly, soon I would move my stop loss into break even because there's no reason to keep any risk here on this position. Honestly, at this moment, market is dropping, and there is not so much reason to analyze many other coins, because if BTC drop, most of them would drop. What at this moment we should do, it is to understand what coins better to buy. Is Tiger Trade available in read-only mode for those countries where Binance and ByBit is not available? Tiger, maybe not. You need API key. You need API key for Tiger. Honestly, if you would be our client, we could create the API keys for you if you're in a country where it is forbidden. About VWAP, yes, I plan to add it into a course. I will add, we have in a course info about VWAP, and I plan to add additional stuff about VWAP because it's really cool stuff. Okay. Once more, that's example for you how stop loss hunt looks. Big significant delta above a range. Overextended delta. A lot of people that were in a short position, when they close a short, they forced to buy back. When they buy back, with market orders, they create big impulse. When it appears in proper area, that's the best signal for reversal. That's example for you how you can use order flow with price action together. Okay, that's our trade with Ethereum. Let's come back to Ethereum. What I think about Ethereum and BTC on a global scale. About BTC, as I told you, it needs to create a range or make a pullback. About Ethereum, at this moment we are in an alt season, and Ethereum, this powerful uptrend. Honestly, if Bitcoin would make some drop, Ethereum with bigger chance would follow. Best area to consider ever entry for long on Ethereum at this moment, it is at 250, 2,500. It would be the best if Ethereum would make a pullback to this anchor VWAP area. That would be the best area where you can consider taking long trades or continue. What also I would like to share with you, even today in our community, I shared with our people. As you can see, people often ask me different questions, and I always reply when I can. And at this moment, it is really important stuff that I shared. It is this one. How many of you know what this stuff means? Bitcoin dominance, Bikotrading. Here we have this beautiful article about Bitcoin dominance. I think better like this one. What about this article and what this stuff means? Remember to understand what cycle at this moment. Why I tell you about this one? Because BTC, few days ago, BTC pumped with increase in dominance. During the time, altcoins were in a range. When BTC stopped into a range, when BTC or BTC especially slowly went up and dominance down, altcoins pumping. That's a reason why at this moment you should pay attention to BTC, because if BTC would stay in a range and the dominance would go down, that would be a good signal for altcoins to pay attention to altcoins. Always remember about this stuff, because that will help you understand when crypto, because sometimes you saw when coins moved BTC like 1-to-1, and sometimes BTC in a range, but altcoins crazy. That was exactly at this moment. Okay, about BTC, as we shared with you. At this moment, BTC is slowly down and dominance 56%. That means some altcoins would make even bigger drop. Let's do at this moment what's the next. I shared with you trades that I have and reasons why we took those trades. What we can do the next. First, I can share with you example of a trade that we took on the previous weeks, or we can analyze other top coins where we can take a trades. What is better for you to do at this moment? Let's vote. First, vote one, trade analysis. Second, analysis of coins where we can take trades. Let's go into a chat. And remember to push like, because that really matters. YouTube share more this video with other people. Also on this channel, you'll find a lot of tutorials that will help you make money. If you have friends that started their path in trading, share it with them. That would be really, I would be really thankful for you. Okay, let's see people voting. Good. Most of you voted for a second. Okay, let's go. If you voted for a second, we do as you do, guys. We do as you desire. As you desire. Okay. Why ATAS is so laggy and how to do you manage it? Uh, First, about ATAS. Yes, ATAS lagging, and ATAS compared to Tiger. That's the reason why I take trades in Tiger, but I analyze clusters and delta in ATAS. That's the reason why I use two platforms. That's why. By the way, also pay attention, friends, at this moment, how big volume on BTC by exactly a top. That was also a reason why we decided to took that short entry. Super massive volume into a top. Pay attention how exactly here also massive volume were into a top. Do you see exactly biggest volume into high? And biggest volume at bottom. Okay, let's go with you and let's do analysis with what we plan. At this moment, pay attention. If BTC would make some drop, quite a lot of people they also would make a drop. But use it as opportunity, because if altcoin season would continue, what is the tool you managed to see volume candles at top? It is a task platform. It is a cluster chart. On my YouTube channel, friends, all tools that I show to you here, we recorded free tutorials. You on this YouTube channel, you will go to playlist and you will find whole tutorials about Tiger, about ATAS. Full playlist, free. Use it. But use it after when we finish. If BTC drops, dominance plus 68%. That means if we, according to this picture, BTC down plus dominance up, altcoins can drop. But honestly, that would be good for us because that would give to us opportunities to take trades. Let's go and analyze some altcoins that's really interesting for me. Ethereum and Bitcoin we took. APT. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, at this moment, big volatility. Give me a few minutes. Let's see on this dump, and after that, we'll take some trades. Holy moly. Bellissimo. Have a look on this order book. How really crazy it is. Let me. I close my camera for a few minutes because you don't need it. Better to look at order book. What this stuff means at this moment, it shows to us that a lot of trades going on BTC and Ethereum and other top coins. Often it's a signal of significant movement. Because if this stuff happens, often significant movement appears. At this moment, what do we have on BTC? We have open interest increasing while delta dropping. That means aggressive seller at this moment push price down. And the most important question, are those sellers really aggressive, and can they break down this range? Because at this moment, I think you would agree with me, a lot of people that open long positions in the middle of this range, many of them that have long positions, they hide their stop losses in those areas. And what could be a major target of these sellers is to push price down to take targets. Friends, from 1 to 10, do you like when I show to you exactly this order book and when we take trades exactly in a moment? Do you like when I show it to you? Write plus if you enjoy. And Within few minutes, let's go to analysis altcoins, altcoin analysis. Almost all coins falling down. Yes, because dominance rising. Remember this picture. Always remember this picture. Honestly, today, Bitcoin before breakout, I saw this open interest increase in ATAS. And they took it. Okay, BTC at this moment make volatility. Let's discuss altcoins because we won't be able to. I add the Bitcoin on another screen, and I'll look on BTC about it make. When BTC would make significant movements, I would come back to you and show it to you. Okay, let's start from some altcoins. We had Ethereum. Ethereum significant pump. At one moment, Ethereum also can create some range or make a pullback. Without range or pullback, I don't like to take long on Ethereum. My key areas for Ethereum long, it is here. It is my major key areas, this one, from 250 to 260 here. What I mean by this key area, remember that I never take a trade. Just because of key area. We always use double confirmation. What's double confirmation? Let me show to you an example. Here it is a trading plan that I shared with the club. Double confirmation. Let me show you example of a double confirmation exactly on Ethereum. Here. It's example a trading plan that I shared with our club. It was Tuesday, 13th of February. And what I shared with our people, Ethereum retested VWAP, and I told people to take long entry in a case of drop. But pay attention that here, additionally, massive volume exactly here at bottom. We didn't take a trade only because we desire, because it is some key area. Always use double confirmation, significant volume, significant delta. And pay attention, I shared this plan. Best long is at 2600. And what BTC or Ethereum? What Ethereum after that did? Ethereum did exactly as we planned. Ethereum did this lower low and exactly took that key level 2600 as I mentioned. But pay attention, have significant volume there here. That's why remember at this moment, when I show to you some key areas, I will wait for those confirmations at those key areas. I wouldn't take if price reach that area, but there would be no significant volume delta, I would not take a trade. That's why when you look at this, what you do, after that you need it. And after that, when I saw the significant volume, what I did, of course, I shared a signal with community, and we took this beautiful, let me show to you long on Ethereum. It was exactly here. I shared long on Ethereum. With stop loss, take profit. Our take profit at that time were 2,740. But honestly, Ethereum after that did so big rise. It's so sad that I didn't keep it longer because what I showed to you, it was exactly this moment. Ethereum retested key area. Our target were here, and that. And Ethereum after our target rise additional 10%. Friends, about your questions, I will reply to your questions as soon as possible. Let me finish coin analysis. That's why about Ethereum, as I told you, I needed to give you this info about my entries for you to understand. Petro, are you in a short? Yes, we are in a short on BTC and Ethereum. Ethereum short entry 2,991. Stop loss at this moment 299. Bitcoin short entry at 52,940. Let's do coin analysis really fast at this moment and finish on. After that, I will reply to your questions. First, about Ethereum. That's my key area where I would start considering new long entries. About short, better if price would make first drop, after that to look for pullback at some local VWAP or local volume profile area, like this one. If a drop happens, next opportunity for short would be at retest to this volume profile. Because at this moment, still it is not confirmed because my entry for short is against this trend. Remember that it is a trade against a trend, and against a trend, better to take trades after liquidations. What about the next one, APT? What about APT? Honestly, APT here was my key area, but I still see that BTC can make significant drop. With our team, we took APT long here. I shared APT trade on previous week and we took with our community this beautiful long on APT. I shared the signal, and here it was exactly this beautiful moment. What was the reason why we took trade on APT? It was exactly here, long entry. Because pay attention that in the middle of this range, open interest started to increasing. When you have a pattern for breakout, increase in open interest, honestly, it is a good signal for breakout. Honestly, it's a good signal. What about APT at this moment? Honestly, APT retested this anchor VWAP, and if I would know that BTC would do nothing here, I would start considering a long. But BTC looks there could be bigger drop. Another area where I would consider taking long entries, it would be here on APT at 845, especially if there would be massive volume at bottom, like something like this one. It would be really the best. The next one, Solana. Solana, friends, Solana, what they did, they already did this significant rise. Honestly, I waited for this hit of this key level where I would definitely took short trade. About Solana, bigger problem that Solana already pumped a lot. Really huge pump already happened. And from my point of view, the best what you can do with Solana is to wait some key area, as it was, for example, here, or it was here. And at those key areas, you can consider taking some trades. Also, a local area is here. That's why at one of these areas, I would look for my pattern 93 and 78, 83 at those areas. The next one, Link. Link dropping. In a club, by the way, Link, it's also a good example why we took short entry. In a club, I shared this plan on Link. Have a look. It was 15th of February at this moment. It's 5 days ago. 5 days ago. I shared this plan on Link. That in the case of higher high, we take short on Link. How many of you can tell me what was the reason why I shared this? While you're thinking, I just tell you. Pay attention that Link pumped really heavily with rise of open interest. What happens after that? Price started taking highs, but open interest stopped increasing. Often, when this happens, every higher high ends as a trap. And honestly, what was my plan? That Link would do something as BTC did. Stop loss hunt, and here we take short. But it said, my friends, that Link didn't do it. Link is dropping without this higher high. And no volume. If somehow Link would make higher high, here it is the best place to consider short entry. About 2080. Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Have a look about Dogecoin. Friends, from 1 to 10, do you enjoy what I showed to you? From 1 to 10, do you enjoy what I showed to you? And after that, I would start replying to your question, because I have additional 10 coins and I need to know, do you like when I show it to you? About Dogecoin, we had a plan on Dogecoin many days ago for Breakout. Have a look. About Dogecoin, I recorded at Tuesday, 13th of February. I wrote on Dogecoin that Breakout is going to happen. Pay attention. What was the reasons behind that? Dogecoin open interest started increasing while price started getting out. And also remember of this picture, because when you understand that the bigger chance altcoins would start pumping and you see increase in open interest, that's really a good signal to consider long trades. And it was a time when I shared this plan, some stop loss hunt, take long with on Dogecoin. And after that, and by the way, I even shared a signal. I shared a signal to take long on Dogecoin. Here, it was my signal to take long on Dogecoin with stop loss. But honestly, I wasn't lucky on Dogecoin. Dogecoin exactly hit my stop loss, and after that went until take profit. We took trade here. Because what happened exactly here? Big volume at bottom. It was exactly this one here. Because significant volume at VWAP. And after the Dogecoin hit all my targets. That's example for you what sometimes can happen. Honestly, a good place for considering entries was here at retest to VWAP. And even today, I recorded this plan. FIL, Dogecoin, pay attention. I wrote to our people about Dogecoin, that's the best area, 8082. And Dogecoin exactly hit that area. Honestly, I missed this opportunity to take a trade. Guys, it was too fast. I didn't take it. And how it looks, let's analyze what was exactly in the case of depth of market. Exactly here, pay attention, quite significant volume appeared and big delta. Honestly, if I would take a trade here, I would already move my stop loss into break even. I would already move my stop loss into break even to keep it because there could be a situation that BTC ranging and other altcoins is pumping. But in the case of big BTC drop, altcoins also would drop. That's a reason you don't need to gamble. If some of you followed my plan, if some people here from our community, just move stop loss into break even and enjoy. About Dogecoin, the most important that open interest added quite significantly. During this range, open interest increased by 82%. It's a lot. That's why if this open interest continue be in Dogecoin, big chance for continue of this rise. Like that would be big chance. But once more, it really depends what BTC would do, because if BTC would do slowly small drop, Doge and the altcoins would stay at that level. After that, many of them would pump. But if BTC at this moment makes significant drop, many altcoins can make bigger drops. That's why if price hold above this anchor VWAP, continue of rise would be really rise could continue with bigger chance. BNB also did this beautiful pump with open interest increase. But at this moment, higher high, best opportunity to take short entry because pump already super big. Ripple also beautiful breakup, and we also shared here a plan on Ripple. Let me show to you that Ripple plan. Here, I shared to Ripple also a plan. In the case of stop loss hunt, take long. And what Ripple did, Ripple during that time exactly tested VWAP and did beautiful rise by how much? 12%. Now, at this moment, Ripple did this lower low. As you can see, I had the key area here, but again, I wasn't at computer and didn't take it. We can analyze Ripple if you wish exactly in order book, but let's finish all our coins. Once more about Ripple, open interest continue rising. If BTC stay in a range, that would be good signal for continue of this uptrend. Until price above this VWAP, trend is bullish and better to look for entries for continue of that uptrend. ORD is close to this VWAP, but price didn't respect it VWAP before. That's why better to look for this level, 56 on ORD. Matic, a beautiful uptrend, but better to consider trades at this level. As you can see, I have alerts here, and I just wait. I don't have a desire to take anything here. ADA, same. We had a plan on ADA. Have a look. Price of ADA was here, 54, and ADA it was exactly here, 54. Pumped from that area, additional 12, 20. Oh my God, 20%. Bellissimo. ADA retest. ADA needs some pullback because ADA rose quite a lot, and ADA needs some stop loss hunt. OP don't like it. If I don't like some coin, I wouldn't speak about it because don't want to waste time. This coin already pumped several times, and pay attention that this coin pumped while open interest didn't increase. That's why big chance for this coin to start downtrend. Bitcoin Cash, I don't like it last time. FIL pumped really well. At this moment, volume still big, open interest still big. If FIL survives this drop on BTC and start ranging, that could be a good breakout tomorrow. WorldCoin pumped really hardly. Yesterday, by the way, I recorded the update when I explained to our people it is the best time to close some position. As you can see, what I showed to you, it is a plan that we trade. It's nothing. What I showed to you, it is not after trade played out. WorldCoin 700 pump, it's time to book your profit. Price was at $8, exactly here. About WorldCoin, what I expect at this moment, price can make some higher highs, but with bigger chance, WorldCoin, like in normal cases, even before pump continue, price would make a range, and only after that I would consider new opportunity to take entry. Best place for consider short, it is exactly here. And best place to consider long, it is exactly at anchor VWAP. It is exactly here at this moment, 521, this area. Set alert here, and let's analyze. And this one, no. Okay, we just did coin analysis. What we did, we set alerts, and at this moment we wait for new opportunities. Let's finish this part. Okay, let me reply to you some of your questions. At this moment, friends, I would reply to some of your questions, and after that, I would show to you a few of my best trades that I took during several last few weeks for you to understand how to use it. You will understand my patterns, and you will be able to use it. Okay, let's go up to see your questions. Why TAS is so laggy? I replied about that. How do you see the liquidation area? First, how I see liquidation area, it is simply because I'm in the market quite long enough, and I understand where most of the people hide stop losses. Honestly, you don't need to have a PhD or master degree in economy to understand that here, example of this range. Just tell me your thoughts. Where most of the people that took short positions, like people that took short positions in the middle of this range, where most of them hide their stop losses. Imagine you look until this moment. Just tell me where most of the people hide their stop losses. Your thoughts. Let me open my phone because I need to read your comments. Most of the people hide stop losses above below range. That's why sometimes it is really easy to understand where most of them hide their stop losses above below range. If you're a beginner, for you it could be really difficult if you're a beginner to understand it. That's why you can use this service. It is a heat map, Bitcoin liquidation heat map. It shows you best areas where most of the people hide stop losses. And you can see that before this session, I shared with our people the screenshot, and it was clearly that biggest liquidation was exactly above high, nearly 53,000 area. That's it. You can use, honestly, for me personally, for my personal use, I don't need that map anymore, because without that map, I understand where most of the people hide their stop losses. But if you are a beginner, yes, definitely I would recommend you. That's why soon I will record a tutorial about that heat map, and you'll be able to use it. That's why you should subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends to be updated, and when this lesson tutorial will get out, you'll be able to watch it. Okay, let's go to other questions. Yes, Tiago, we did. Why are TAS? Why ATAS volume profile is lagging? What do you mean it's lagging? If you build ATAS volume profile indicator, it works really perfectly. Have a look, beautifully. Honestly, it is way accurate compared to many other platforms, because you can see exactly in the clusters how many contracts traded. You can see way more data compared to other volume profiles. That's why it's good. I don't know. What is the tool you managed to see volume candles? Leonard, as I told you, it is a task, free tutorials you'll find on our playlist. Between ATAS and Tiger volume profile, which one is more accurate? Victor, honestly, I use ATAS for volume profile, because I use Tiger only to execute my trades and see order books, because order books in Tiger, they really faster and they really no slippage. It's super easy to execute trades, set stop losses, take profits. That's the reason I use Tiger for trading, Atas for analysis. But you can use Tiger only. Tiger also really good stuff, and choose what's better for you. Okay. Do you know why ByBit and a lot of other brokers have restricted people from using them in the UK? Major reason it is because of your regulator. If you are a United Kingdom citizen, they did it only because your country didn't allow them to work there. That's it. Because they would like to open with UK. UK is a big market. You have a lot of citizens with compared to a world wealthy citizens, but if your regulator is not allowed, ByBit closed, because ByBit follows the rules. ByBit is really good exchange. What charting program are you using with the DOM? It is a Tiger. Tiger, we reply to it. It is our student, Ukrainian student. He asked me, sorry that I ask in Ukrainian language. I write badly in English, but I understand you very good. Tell me, please, how you can set up colors on a chart in Atas. In Atas colors. What exactly colors? This one, candles. Hi, what about Altcoin? Long position from 6.1 to 8. Not the best, because from 6.1. Worldcoin. Man, if you have a long position here, what I recommend you at this moment to set stop loss at low, and that's it. Because I do believe that higher high happens. I do believe that Worldcoin would make higher high, but honestly, I don't know how exactly that happens, because sometimes they make higher high without any stop loss hunt at bottom. Pay attention to this link. Link did additional move up, and pay attention here at bottom, there was no volume. Only open interest started rising after breakup. That's why 6.1, not bad. Set good stop loss. At this moment, I would recommend you to set stop loss at break even, because you don't know exactly when this happens. Because pay attention, when you have really massive volume into bottom, that's really way better to take it, or here massive volume at bottom. But at this moment, there's no significant volume. How can I join to your Discord? Really simple. I think below this video, below this session, you can join to our club. Really easy. First, you can join by simply buy access. Second, we at this moment have special offer. Have a look on this link. You open account on ByBit as our partner, and you get access to community. Or even if you already have account, you can become a member if you move to us. If you are in a place where ByBit is not like you cannot open account on ByBit and trade there, just buy access. But you need to open this form, fill it, and after that, my team will call to you and share all information. Remember that my team, you need to share a real number, because only in that case, my team will be able to contact with you and share with you all other info. We use only this other form, because in other cases, other forms, that's the most secure way to contact with my team. Okay. Exchanges restrict central countries because of regulation. The US is the same thing. You can use a VPN if they don't ask KYC. Yes, my friend. What is... sorry, I have to use you on Discord. Andrea, yes, you on Discord. How to confirm a trade after absorption and exhaustion. How to confirm a trade with footprint, absorption, exhaustion at key level. First, are you still here? My friend, are you still here? Let's reply to your question. Let's reply to your question. Friends, how many of you would like to hear it? How can I join your Discord? I replied. Chart analysis guide, top down. How to confirm trade with a footprint, absorption or exhaustion. First, even here with a footprint, when you see some significant key level, you don't use only a footprint, you use only understanding where liquidity is hiding. Because like this one, for me, it was really clear and obvious that BTC reached a significant level where most of the people hide their stop losses. I think you would agree with me that here many people hide their stop losses. After that, what I did, I see a massive delta spike and massive volume spike. That means a lot of people that were in a short started closing their stop losses here. After that, how to understand with exactly with clusters. Honestly, I don't use clusters by themselves only. I use it together because when I see significant volume here, for me, it is an additional confirmation that this absorption happens. And because I like to take a trade before confirmation, what you can do, for example, you see in a cluster massive volume into a high, and after that you see that price did first reaction. On retest to this volume, like this one, price did first drop. On retest to this volume, you can consider taking short trades. That's how you can do it. Absorption in an exhaustion. About exhaustion, I will show you a few trades within a few minutes. How to setting your color candle. What do you mean how to set your color candle? It is not candle, it is clusters. You mean about this one? It is a cluster chart. It's not a candle. The market maker for stop loss hunt and one people win or one lose. Remember, market is not creating money. Market, it is like a big poker table. Friends, how market built? Poker or poker table. Remember one important stuff, that market isn't something special. Market, it is same poker table with people. Remember one simple law: market does not create any new money. Market only distributed. And let's cover like this example, like here. No, it is not this one. Let's assume this example. Imagine a situation. We have a poker table with a lot of people. And when you understand this analogy, you would understand how market works. Market by themselves does not create any new money. Do you understand that market does not create any new money? How many of you understand it that market doesn't create any new money? From 1 to 10. Market doesn't create any new money. It only redistributed. In a physics, there are laws of energy. Energy cannot be created. from nothing. It only transforms from one source to another. The same with the market. Market does not create the money. Market is not a central bank. Like if you, example, if you are from Europe, you have a European central bank. Only European central bank can create money. Exchange cannot create money. People must deposit money to their account, and after that, people play against each other. And those people that smarter, have more experience, they win. Imagine you are at poker table and tell me what most of the people do when they came into a poker. What's their target? Just tell me your thoughts. What's the target of every person that set to play poker? That's why market, it is a machine that distribute money from greedy, uneducated retails to wise, experienced, and seasoned traders and investors. Every person that came here on to take money from a table. But what's the difference between poker and crypto? Example, Binance registered users. In 2023, Binance reported that 170 millions have account on Binance. At this moment, it may be 300. ByBit registered users 23 millions, over 20 millions. Coinbase. Just what's the difference between how many active users? Monthly active users 9 million. It is monthly active. That means 56 verified users. The main difference between crypto and poker, it is that crypto, there are more people on a table. That's it. But in all other cases, it is absolutely the same. People came only with one target, make money. And you need to know how to be better, how to be smarter, how to understand where you can bet and understand where you need to avoid the market, because advantage is not in your favor. That's it. It's the same, but how many of you think it is unfair? Write plus in the chat if you think it is unfair. That's why in a market, we compete between each other for opportunities and money. But we also compete for opportunities in business, because to make a business, you have competitors. And if you make more money, that means some competitors get out from business. You compete for women. If you have good women, other guy also could have that women. You compete for your place in a work, in your company hierarchy. You compete in every place on a planet, and you need to understand it. As soon you understand it, better it will be for you. And who makes money? Those who win competition, those who are smarter, have more experience, understand how really stuff works. That's it. Thomas, education and risk management. Bellissimo. That's the best phrase that I hear here. Okay. That's why market works like this one. And your major target is to understand when opportunity will be in your favor, when your risk would be small and potential reward would be in many times more, 5 times, 10 times. Like at this moment, our trade with BTC and Ethereum, If Ethereum hit my target, I will make 8 times more than I put into a risk. 8 times. Nothing special. I can be wrong even more than 50% times. But with such risk reward, I still will make money. Nina, hello. Happy to see you here. If Satoshi want to sell all BTC, is it possible to sell all now? Honestly, most of the people would see that he selling money because what's a positive side of a crypto? You can see every transaction on BTC scan. You can open any wallet, any address, and you can see transactions. You can see any transactions. And at this moment, when you go to BTC coin, you can go to CoinMarketCap and you open any coin and you hear there must be data about biggest wallets and what they do. Coins. Bitcoin versus addresses. Let me find addresses on BTC. I forgot where is it stuff. Teams, organization, investors, Binance, Bitfinex, show all. A few seconds. Let me find that place where most of the people market. What about maybe analysis? I forgot when exactly it is the data. What about other coins, for example, Ethereum? Is it because I remember there was a data on CoinMarketCap where you can see exactly biggest wallets and you can see where those wallets, how much money they keep. Token distribution. You can see this data, how much money people hold. Ethereum. Coins hold by wallet. BTC wallet address. Top richest Bitcoin. And you can see exactly where people hold, like at this moment, you can see exactly every wallet and how much money they wallet, Binance cold wallet, Bitfinex cold wallet, Binance BTCB reserve, Binance cold wallet, ByBit cold wallet. And you can see where people and who exactly hold. And when they move, you within few minutes, you know when money were transferred. And honestly, you would get information about it within several minutes because nearly everyone would write on X and other platforms that Satoshi started selling his coins. Here you would exactly here in a trance you would see that Satoshi would start selling their coins and you would see it on X. That's why honestly Satoshi is really a smart guy because if we knew who is Satoshi, trust for Bitcoin would be way smaller. The billionaires made money from retail money when retail buy, then they sell, or any other reasons. Billionaires make money in all other cases. Billionaires make money when people sell at bottom, they buy it. Billionaires make money when retailers buy it high. BlackRock is buying behind the exchanges. How to buy from behind? It is a DEX. Do you take partial profits? Yes, I do. Thank you, bro. Guys, at this moment, BTC is still in this position. And if you're, would you like me to show you a few of my trades how to take really beautiful trades for up and down. Write plus into a chat and remember to push like. The most important reason how you can start making money in the future in the trading, when you have a statistic and you understand when you make money and when you don't make money, because you need to know when you make money and when you could make even way more. Example for you, it is my statistic from Notion, and have a look. I took BTC breakout trade and I could make 38 risk reward, and I took only 5. Why it's super important for you to have statistic? Because only with statistic you can understand when you can make really significant money. Let's analyze and let me show to you example of a trade that I took and what was the reason. I have 2 strategies, major strategies that I use. All other, it is like all other, it is different stuff. And have a look. Example for you, my BTC breakout. I took BTC breakout exactly at 43,600. What was the major reason why I took here breakout? Open interest in a range increase by nearly 700 millions. And when you have beautiful range, and here it was exactly a cluster chart on BTC, significant volume and significant rise in open interest, and price fix above it. That's example for you when it is really good for consider breakout. And from this moment, when price retested this volume, here exactly I took long. And have a look. When I took long, I keep it only 2.5%. And guess, friends, make a guess how many percent BTC rose additionally. Who can make a guess? For me, it's interesting. And after that, BTC did rise by how much? Ooh, have a look. They even didn't retest at my entry point. That means if I would keep it a few weeks, I could take 20%, nearly 10 times more. My stop loss in this position was 0.5%. I took 1 to 5 risk reward. That means if I would keep my position until this high, it would be 1 to 40 risk reward without testing my position. Major reason why this breakout was really beautiful, because pay attention, beautiful range and significant rise in open interest. Pay attention, significant rise in open interest. That was the reason why I considered a breakout, because when market maker build really huge position, significant movement happens. And at this moment, why I recommend all of you to have a statistic, because you need to know in what cases you can keep position, in what cases you don't need to keep. Because example for you, another trade that I took on Link, it was entry against a trend, fake out. And here, and what we did here, we took this beautiful short entry against a trend with significant pump, with biggest volume at high, and massive delta with massive volume at high. It was exactly this one. I think it looks like something like this one. Do you agree that it have a lot of in common with BTC? And here I close this part of position. And that's example for you when sometimes I need to know in what case is better to keep position longer and in what case is better to close it, because pay attention. Here I closed my friends, my first part of position here. I closed only 35%. And after that, second part hit my break even. As you can see at this moment, what I do, I'm working with a system to understand when I need to keep and when I don't need to keep it longer. Honestly, that's the biggest stuff that at this moment I'm working on, because on Link example for you dropped by 7%. And here I would make 1 to 7 risk reward. And BTC, if I would keep it, it would be 1 to 40. That's really a question when to keep, when to not. And you can get such data only when you have real statistic. Without statistic, you won't be able to have it. Example for you with EPT. This one, it was fake out before breakout. Have a look. First time they hit my stop loss. Open interest increased by 50%. And after that, this one. And after that, I took this beautiful breakup. Breakup and 13%. Stop loss 1% and second profit 13. On this trade, I made 1 to 13. Do you like this stuff? That's example for you what's trading. Thomas, about breakout, let me show to you a few really beautiful trades on breakout. Guys, who would you like to see few patterns, breakout patterns that played out really well, and how to trade it? How many of you would like to see my secrets with breakout? I can show to you at this moment my top 3 trades that I took during previous weeks and understand how to take breakout. How do you calculate risk reward? Thomas, really simple. You can go to TradingView, and when you open a trade, you can use for start this stuff, this short guy. And here, for example, that's your stop loss. After that, you can see where you take profit. And here they show to you your risk reward. If you trade with this volume, that's your risk reward. Okay, let's go to cover breakouts. Let me show to you how to take breakouts. A really beautiful one. I just want to share with you once more. Friends, you have opportunity to get access into our community where on daily basis I share trading plans, even this BTC update that I did today, stop loss hunt. After that, we share a signal with exact stop loss, take profit, all updates. You can get access to it. There are 2 options how you can get access. First, you can buy. Second, you can get it by opening account on our partner exchange. It is ByBit. Here it is by this link. Here you can see that information. Open this form. Also, you will get trading plan signals on daily basis. Second, we will help you to set up a task and target trade, and we will give you our templates for free. Third, you will get a bonus, special bonus for from 20 to 40. It is from ByBit. And the fourth, you will get opportunity to get personal training from me and my team. These details will be provided by managers. That's why here, open this form, fill that form, and get it. Yes, Reza, we have educational course. Open this link, fill this form, and speak with my team. They will show to you all information about course. Okay, let's go to Breakout. Binance have 0.1% from each trade. Imagine millions trades daily. Billions, my friends, billions trades daily. Nice, Michael. Okay. As you know, I like when we analyze breakouts based on real example. Let me show to you a few breakouts that we exactly took and how they played out. First one, it is this one, breakout on BTC that I shared here. Additionally, we'll cover breakout this on APT. And let's cover also a few additional breakouts on BTC or D. Breakout. This one. And this one. Okay, I prepared for you several breakouts, how to trade them. Support me with your like, and let's go to analyze them. First, when you trade, you need a strategy and you need a pattern. First strategy that I use, it is a breakout strategy. What's the major idea of breakout strategy? It is a market maker build a position, and they make a breakout from a range, a place when they accumulated volume. Example for you, it is my trade that I took here on BTC on long. What was the reason why we took a trade here? I personally trade breakouts only in a case when we have increase in open interest. Pay attention, open interest increased from 5.2 billions to 5.7. That means additionally 500 millions worth of open interest entered here. It is really important to know in what direction you go here. You need to know market direction. And when you understand that it is a trend for breakup, it is really good to take an entry and have a look. BTC exactly broke it. And pay attention, this open interest rising and price make breakout, and after that did significant rise. This entry for breakup was exactly when BTC was at 40,000, at 40. And after that, have a look, BTC did rise until from that moment. Here, 9%. And after that, BTC did rise until this moment. Honestly, if I would keep this position, I still would be in a massive profit. I could keep this position for a long time. What is additional reasons behind breakout? What is additional reasons? Breakout better to take after clear area of significant stop loss hunt. That's example for you what breakout can give to you. Aggressive selling on a range highs in a futures market means it has been an aggressive buy because of short covering. Why do you sell course for money if you can easily make money in trading? I make money in trading and I make money in selling courses. Hey, will you close part of a profit in BTC and where? Just interesting, thanks. About BTC, I would be interesting to close part of a profit here below this area because it is exactly where most of buyers would hide their stop losses. Here, below 56.68, best area to close part. Before breakout, how to select level and top down instrument. I will show to you a few examples how you can take breakout. That's why what's the major reason here for breakout? First, it must be clear liquidity area, which is here. Second, you need to understand a direction of a market. And third, you need liquidity. You can take breakout only after significant traps, or you have aggressive buyer, as you saw open interest in a range increased by 500 millions in this tiny range. That was the reason why I decided to take breakout a trade, because always when open interest increase in tiny range, breakout, like in most cases, breakout happens, especially if you are confident with direction. Sometimes, honestly, breakouts can be even better, even way, way better. Honestly, this one, it may be the best breakout that I, honestly, this one, it is maybe the best breakout that I took. Let me show to you. How to understand best liquidity areas guide. My friend, go join education, and after that learn how all of this stuff all of this stuff works, and after that we will help you. What is this indicator on right vertical? Where exactly? I right vertical. What exactly right vertical? Have a look here. This one, it is maybe the best example of breakout patterns that I took during previous several weeks. Best of the best. What was the reason here of this trade? Have a look how many preconditions here you would find. First, BTC did significant pump. Biggest volume on BTC entered exactly at high. Significant volume at bottom, as you can see, a good signal for potential rise. That means you have significant volume at high. Volume at high. After that, a lot of people that had short positions, imagine you open short position here. What happens to your short positions during this tail or this one? Your stop losses is taken. That means stop losses is taken. After that, when you open bigger time frame, what you can see that a lot of key levels where people that bought, a lot of levels where people that bought could hide their stop losses. Major target of a market is to go and take liquidity. And a lot of people that in a short and in a long, where people that in a long hide their stop losses. Here, 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 here. After that, what do you have? You have beautiful range. You have beautiful range. Here, it was exactly ETF approval. News where a lot of trap buyers bought, and where most of those buyers keep their stop losses. Here, here, and nearly other levels. That means structure here is really awesome. And what after that happens? Pay attention. Open interest started to increase with negative delta. Open interest started to increase with negative delta. That's example for you of aggressive seller. Plus, pay attention how it looks here. Open interest increasing while price slowly squeezed down. It looks even better in a task like this one. Open interest slowly, open interest increasing with negative delta. That means aggressive seller push price down until this stuff. How many of you knows what this happened? What exactly here, this stuff? How many of you understand what this stuff, what is this stuff? Friends, it is exactly liquidations. Liquidations. That means a lot of people that bought BTC during ETF, a lot of people that got trapped, what aggressive sellers did, they moved price down until this massive liquidation. Remember that major target of market maker is to go and liquidate retails. Here it was exactly. They moved price until this liquidation. And have a look. Here, how you can see how exactly here liquidation looks on open interest chart. exactly here, biggest liquidation. That means all people that were in a long here, 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 what they did? They sold. That's why every good breakout market maker do for a reason. And that reason could be to go liquidate someone, to move price into their direction. Do you see how many preconditions here we had? First, let's calculate at this moment all preconditions here on this breakout. First, BTC rose up a lot without pullback. BTC rose up a lot without pullback. Second, a lot of stop loss hunt at high. Stop loss hunt at high. Third, massive volume exactly at top. Volume at top, at high. Fourth, aggressive seller. Aggressive seller. Fifth, a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity. Stop losses of trap buyers. And pay attention, they drop until this moment. That means most of the people that took long in the middle of this rise and didn't close it, they got liquidated. And there was additional reason why this breakdown was just perfect. How many of you guys, what was that reason? Just guess. Guess what was the reason? I wait for some of you guess. Okay, I see that. Another reason was this one. Aggressive seller in a depth of market. Every time when BTC tried to rise, someone set a lot of sell limit orders and price bounced. Do you see how many preconditions for really beautiful trade? Friends, what I showed to you, that's example for you. When you see really a good trade, you will have a lot of preconditions together to take it. And in that case, you can make really massive money, because here it was so the same reason, the same problems that I have in other trades. Here I took only 3.2%. Stop loss was 0.5, and price dropped additional 15%. Additional 15%. That means with my stop loss 0.5, I could take 30 risk reward. That means you risk 100 to make 3,000. Okay. While BTC is going down. Is this today enough volume at highs? We are in a short positions on BTC and Ethereum. Our short position on BTC is here, and our short position on BTC is entry as 52,940. Price at this moment 2.5% into our direction. Yes, drop can happen. Understanding those preconditions is important. Thomas, honestly, yes, it's important. And you understand it, you can take really powerful trades. OE increase in ranging market won't necessarily be a market maker position. It would be a trapped retails to how to identify it. Mohammed. Wait for price reaction. First, when open interest increase, there also must be increase in the volume. in a simple volume, there must be increase. Sometimes you can see like this one. Let me show to you one trap when I also get trapped, like this one. Really good example of a trap. Most of open interest entered here. And what they did after that, they went against it to take stop losses of these trap buyers. How you can identify it? First, depends on the market structure. If you understand market structure, you can understand in what cases I could be breakout, in what cases it could be a trap. Honestly, the best to trade it when you see that price already gave a reaction and at retest. Often, they retest this trapped volume, often, but not always. Sometimes, honestly, they can do like this one. Have a look. Most of open interest increased exactly here into this top. Most of open interest entered exactly here. And pay attention what they did after that. They dropped below this biggest part of volume. And means most of this volume became a resistance. And they dropped until liquidate all of these trap people. Yes, market do traps and you need to know how to read them. But honestly, it is a topic for whole masterclass. I teach I teach this stuff people in our community. You can join education program, and I will help you with this stuff. I waste time watching all your streams, Ivana. Okay, just don't watch it. Yuri, I have a lot. To learn. Thomas, thank you. Thank you for this excellent live session. But just leave now. Catch up with you soon. Thomas, have a good time. Take just good trades. Guys, at this moment, we are in a short position. Summarizing to all of you, we are in a short position on BTC and Ethereum. And I do believe that BTC Ethereum need some pullback. That's my target on Ethereum, 2,740. And about BTC, we also here in a short. My first target, it is here. It would be 50,400. And second target, this one, 48,418. Go and join education program. It is a live stream where we take trades. I share with you a lot of stuff for free. I share with you trades that I took. I share with you mistakes that I did. I share with you a lot of preconditions. What else? Do I need to work for free for you? Join education program with my team. We will help you if you need step-by-step support. Sorry, I wish to learn. I like your content, but school is too expensive. Man, our price to product may be the cheapest in the industry. This I unable to understand because it take time. You need to take a lot of trades to understand it. You need to take trades after that take us some feedback, like our students do. What our students do? They take trades and they on daily basis share with me their trades. Have a look how my students do. My students every day they share with me trades that they took and what was their trades. And after that, I can go open the statistics service and can see, they took this trade. What was good? Let me see it. And after that, I can give a feedback. It takes a time. You don't become a master overnight. Yuri, have you ever integrated Elliott Waite's principles in your trading? Yes, I did it. about Elliott waves, I don't use exactly them because I respect them because market moves with waves, and you can see this one. Market always moves with waves, and honestly, I use this stuff, but not exactly the same as he did. Yes, agree. Ivana, it takes time. You will never win if you. I know your effort loves this. Is there any other than stop loss that could show you that you make rethink to the trade? Didn't get your question. My win rate 45% at this moment. I took sometimes with me something like this happens. Let me show to you. Honestly, on previous week I was super exhausted because on previous week I took several long on Ethereum and they hit me out, and after that moved into my direction, and that's why something like this happens. Really good entry, good place, but my at this moment, last few weeks, 45, really good when I have 60%. That's really when I have 60%. During the time, I'm really have amazing result in P&L. If anyone can pay, then how would you learn from your school? Did I say that I need that everyone will work with us? There are a lot of lessons for free on this YouTube channel. Watch it. I started as a student and I have only budget 100 USD per month. And when you say you have nothing, man, I'm from a country where we have a war. And when you say that you don't have some opportunities, I just don't want to listen. That's your problem. When I wanted to learn, I moved to another city. After I finishing school, I moved to another city. I worked several years to learn English. After that, I enter and work in a fixed broker to learn the industry. When you want, you find opportunities. That's it. Good. Because my problem is to close trade early. I also have that problem. I also have a problem. That's why what I recommend you to do, if you have a problem, you close trades too early, you need good statistic because you need to see in what cases you could make really way more. Example for you, what I do in statistic here, I write how many additional risk reward I would make if I would keep my position until top. And like this one, APT, 13 risks. Really good risk reward, amazing trade. Like here on Ethereum, my stop loss was 1%. And Ethereum after that did 14% rise. I would make 14 error. Like you need to know in what cases you could keep your position really longer. Like in this case, I took short position with the club, this one. I took short position on previous week, and here I could close at 6 risks, 1 to 6 risk reward, but I didn't do it because I thought there would be some bigger drop. And instead of making how much, 6 or 5, 5.5 risk reward, I made only 0.1. That's why you need to know, you need to have statistic. And after that, when you see a statistic, you would see a patterns. Because at this moment, what I see, every time when I trade breakout, every time when I trade breakout with massive open interest, I can keep it way longer. About fake outs, it's another story, because sometimes, let me show to you my record. In terms risk reward, it was my biggest record. Have a look. It is a fake out trade. It is another strategy that I trade. Have a look. Long on Ethereum. And have a look. I took only 1.7%. And what Ethereum did? Ethereum did 38. That's closing too early. You need statistic, bro. And when you will see based on your statistic, for you it will be easy to make a decision. I confuse selecting levels and analyzing chart guide, please. What do you propose me to do here during this live session? Which thing to see chart while analyzing a coin? This at us, it is Tiger Trade. How about spot? Is a good idea use CVD because OE isn't available? I trade futures, Michael. I trade futures, and I can predict movements on futures. If you saw my analysis, you can see how big percentage of played out. For futures, I use open interest. About spot, in most cases, they follow each other. Did you analyze if it's better to move stop loss to entry after taking partial profit, or just leave it to retest to break your point? Depends on the strategy. On some strategies, this fake out, better to move after such stop loss hunt. At breakout, better to close spots and don't move stop losses. I have feeling it is better to keep retest your entry point, even if you will lose a trade. This is, my friend, you need a statistic to see. When you will have a statistic, you will be able to analyze. Without statistic, all other stuff, it is a nonsense. It's a bullshit. Guide, please. Coin analysis. Explain, man. Which software is better? I close the trade before stop loss hunts only when I have opposite signal. Do you use volume profile and TPO2? I use volume profile only, but I know a lot of people that use TPO and they do really good trades. It is not the most important in trading what exactly you use. Far more important it is what strategy you use, and do you know how to keep your positions until take profit or not? Because have a look like this trade. Was it a big deal if you analyze TPO or you analyze volume profile? The biggest problem here was to keep and do nothing. Is that us or Tiger? I like both. I use both. I use them both for different purposes. Tiger, it is the best to see all the books and exactly execute your trades. ATAS is better for cluster chart analysis, for VWAP analysis. That's it. I use both of them because I can. Okay. Why are you ignoring me? Because you don't know how to ask normal questions. That's why I ignoring you. Chart analysis guide from zero to hero. Go and find a job. If you don't know how to create normal questions, write it down. You don't need to be in trading. Trust me. You will have a lot of problems. Normal people during live session, when we speak about my trades, wouldn't ask it because it's impossible to learn it in one lesson. And to learn it, you need personal help, personal guidance. That's why I ignore you, because I don't have energy to speak about it. Okay, friends, that's why. Let me summarize, because about BTC, once more, we keep short positions on BTC. We keep the short position. I don't see a reason to not keep it because stop loss is at high taken and a lot of liquidity at bottom. About the BTC updates, when I will do trades, I will do updates in the club as I do always. In our community, when we take trades, I always do updates like this one. When we took previous trades, what I did, when to set stop loss, when to move it break even, when to close part, all this stuff I shared always. Here in the community, when I share a signal. On daily basis, I share trading plans. Trading plans, it is ideas when you exactly can take a trade, like Dogecoin. Key level 0.82, and what Dogecoin did, hit key level 0.82 today during this pullback, and it immediately pumped from this level by 4%. I share it on every working day because on Sunday, Saturdays, I don't work. This one is down, and Ethereum also is down. I don't see a reason to close them. Just follow this trend. That's it. That's why I need to go. That's why, friends, I need to go. And write at this moment in the comments what was the best part of this session for you. Do you like when we do it? Share with me at this moment some feedback. That would be really, I really like it, and I would be really thankful for you if you would share some good words, some feedback. And within 1 month, we'll do live sessions. That's why remember to subscribe, because nearly every day on YouTube we share BTC updates, useful lessons that will help you make money. And if you need real help, or you need signals, trading plans when you can make money, consider to join our community and education program. That's it. Have a good time. Bye.